日本人の方と話してるような感じ
いやいや、
です。
全然全然。
How did you get such a beautiful Japanese?
beautiful じゃないですけど。
めちゃくちゃ beautiful. Tone is so
本
perfect.
当ですか？いやいや。
ほんまに。Attitude is so Japanese.
You want to practice your Japanese, but you're not in Japan. You don't have friends, I mean Japanese friends. And you've tried online apps, but somehow they always end up going in a weird direction. If you find yourself at the same situation, love, this video is for you because I got the solution. I'm not proud to admit this, but for the sake of the greater good, I have tried every single language exchange app online. HelloTalk? Done. Maum? Yes sir. Tandem? There are great points to all of these apps, but they all lack one thing in common, which is being able to consistently find a one-on-one partner that is able to practice with you. They tend to fall off the grid after a few months, especially when we have work or school. But I found an amazing platform where you can practice your Japanese and English conversations even if you are a complete beginner. And I'll explain on that a little bit later. It's also one-on-one with native speakers, so you would definitely be able to practice instead of having anxiety and trying to speak up at a group event. Also, it is 100% completely free. We'll talk about how is that possible later in the video. And most importantly, if you're a girly or guy that is sick of random weirdos on the internet and want to have a safe environment to practice English or Japanese, moderators are present whenever you need them, so the conversations are always kept respectful. And of course, I'm not gonna gatekeep, so if you want all of that good stuff, keep on watching because I'm about to spill the ocha. This platform is called OHANASI KAGAWA. So what is it exactly? It is an international exchange community where basically English and Japanese learners can connect online easily and safely for free. I took a month's time to experience the events myself because I wanted to make sure that this is legit before I introduce these to you loves. And as someone who has tried almost every single language exchange app, I was really happy with the experience. I also got to know more directly from the creator himself, Akihiro-san, and his intention behind creating OHANASI KAGAWA. But you know what? Let's just check out the event together. Hey loves, today I'm joining the OHANASI KAGAWA event and I'm very excited for it. While I'm waiting for the event to start, let me share more details on this platform. So on Saturdays and Sundays, they hold a language exchange event online 6 times a month. The events are held in Japan time in the evenings on Saturdays and mornings on Sundays. So if you're from a different time zone, you can choose either one of these days that works for you and you can still join the sessions. Okay, back to the event.
Hello everyone.
The event is roughly 2 hours and it starts with an opening presentation in both Japanese and English where they walk you through the guidelines and event flow. After the opening presentation, there are 2 sessions of 30 minutes language exchanges in both Japanese and English. And we're gonna head into the first session now. How it works is super easy and simple. So first, you'll be assigned a number in the chat. I was assigned number 1.
1番です、シエンさん。
The interface is this really cute virtual lobby with numbered tables. So just go to your number and double click on the seat and voila.
私は1に移動しますね。
はじめまして。よかった。はじめまして。さとみです。
シエンです。よろしくお願いします。
よろしくお願いします。
My first partner was the gorgeous Satomi-san, and we started the first 15 minutes with Japanese. Now remember that I said that even if you are a beginner in Japanese or English, you are more than welcome to join the event because everyone in there are just language learners. Remember, your partner is just as nervous as you, and it's one of the rare chances that you can make as many mistakes as you want and practice the language you are learning one-on-one for free. Let's get back to my conversation with Satomi-san, and you can use our conversations as a listening practice. Comment down below on how much were you able to understand from it.
どこに住んでますか？
あ、私はマレーシアの出身です。
私は日本の、福島県知ってますか？
あー、知っています。はい。福島県。
あ、すごい。知ってる？珍しい。
If you're not sure what to talk about, don't panic. There's even topics prepared for you in both languages.
さとみさんはどうですか？英語を学ぶのきっかけは？
でも、英語は実は私、学生の頃から、英語の授業が一番好きで、でも、その時はもちろん、全然、喋れなくて、はい、で、すごいシャイ、シャイで、でも大人になってから、やっぱり自分の世界を広げたいなと思って。
めっちゃわかる。私も日本語はまだまだですけど、その日本語で人とつながるのが楽しいと思います。それも、はい、きっかけとして。
わかる。日本人のお友達も結構いますか？
それは残念ながら、マレーシアにいた時ずっと独学してたから、実はマレーシアで日本人の方が多いですよ。 特に、
あ
コアラルンプー
そうなんですね。
はい。そこでは日本人の方が多いですけど、なぜか私の周りにあんまりいないです。
日本人の友達がインドネシアに住んでたので、ちょうどそうバリに行きたくて、私。
バリはいいですね。バリはいい。
シェンさんはお気に入りの、なんか日本の好きな。
難しい。福岡九州に行きたいです。
九州、じゃあまだ行ったことないです。
ないです。一度もないです。はい。だから行きたい。
英語の
Yeah, time for
スイッ
English.
チしましょうか。Shall we talk English?
One thing that I really like about the event is that they announce when to switch to the other language. I don't know about you if you could relate to this, but usually on language exchange apps, if I'm practicing with a partner and they're having a fun time speaking, I just find it hard to interrupt them halfway and ask them to switch to another language. But anyway, next up, it was time for us to use English instead.
Excited about listening to your English.
I want to ask you about what's your like favorite like things in Malaysia?
I would say food. Malaysians are very proud of our food because there are so many races that you actually get a lot of different cuisines. And there's like Indian food, Malay food, Chinese food, it's like a fusion. And there's like so many more ethnicities in Malaysia. It's very rich in food culture. I'm from Penang. It's basically a really popular like tourist spot too in Malaysia. And it's an island.
Island?
Yes. So we also have beaches there. But as a local, unfortunately, I have to say, I don't think the beach there is very... so many things is for one person portion. They have like mini tofu. Yeah. That I can just cook like with the mini cube size tofu and I would not waste any food. And it's very, convenient.
Do you know the Japanese phrase like もったいない?
Yes, exactly. Like, もったいないです. It will be a waste if I cook more and I can finish it. Yeah.
頑張って.
That was the first language exchange session, and then now we have a 5 minutes break. And after a 5 minutes break, they jump into another language exchange session, and I have a lot of fun talking with Mini-san before they wrapped up with the closing presentation. You can even stay behind and freely chat with the rest of the participants, which of course I did, and I had a lot of fun making new friends. In fact, one of them is coming to Malaysia where I am from, so I'm super excited.
I will go to Malaysia in this summer.
Wow!
案内しますよ。
本当に？
めっちゃいいやん。
Come to Malaysia.
I think if you're like me and you're learning Japanese or you're learning a language, one of the main reasons and one of the most meaningful thing that you can get from learning a language is that when you get to interact with people in that language. And it was so fun to talk with people in Japanese and in English too, for those that are practicing English. I went in nervous and I wasn't sure what to expect. In the past when I did Hello Talk, we did voice call and stuff, but I've never actually did a one-on-one like video call with a Japanese before. So I was so nervous, but everyone was really kind and I had a really fun time talking. Loves, you should try it out. I really recommend this.
But how is this event free? Well, OHANASI Kagawa is supported by donations and sponsors, and they also run a Japanese language school. If you want help with learning Japanese, they also offer one-on-one Japanese lessons, so check it out. But again, the language event itself is completely free. And you would think, why on earth would they put so much effort in a free event? Well, let's hear it from the creator himself, Akihiro-san.
こんにちは。
はい。
まず、簡単に紹介をお願いできますか？
はい。はじめまして、秋と言います。
はい。
お話香川の代表をしています。出身は日本の香川県で、うどんが大好きです。サウナに行ったり、新しい場所に旅行することが好きです。よろしくお願いします。
よろしくお願いします。次は話香川はどのようなきっかけで疲れたんですか？
お話香川を作ったきっかけは、アメリカの大学に行く前に、英語の勉強をしていたんですけど、近くで海外の人と英語で話せる場所が全然なかったので、とてもすごい悲しかったというか、悲しかったです。で、僕の地元の香川県では、海外の人も少なくて、こう近くで、国際交流できる場所がこう全然ありませんでした。で、もっとこう日本の人と海外の人たちがこう気軽に楽しくこう話せて交流できる場所があったらいいなと思い、 自分で作ってしまおうと思いました。
素晴らしいですね、本当に。お話香川という名前には何か特別な意味があるんですか？
英語で言うとコンバセーションになりますので、
そうですね。
コンバセーションを通して、日本人と海外の人が素敵な関係を築ける場所を作りたいっていう思いがまず一つあります。香川はもともとその香川県で始まったっていうのもあるんですけど、香川県みたいな小さな場所で、その田舎というかローカルな場所で海外の人とかと話せるチャンスが少ない場所でもオンラインとかを通して日本人と海外の人がつながれる。
日本語は全く初心者でもこのイベントについて安心して参加できますか？
はい、もちろんです。やっぱり日本人の参加者の人たちも今英語を勉強している途中なので、ちゃんと英語で話せるかなって不安というか心配な気持ちで来ている人も多いです。ぜひあなたが、英語を日本人の人に教えてあげるっていう気持ちを持って、参加してほしいなと思います。
素晴らしいです。私も日本語はまだまだですけど、このイベントに参加するときも、少しずつ日本語で話すのがとっても嬉しいなと思って、それも良かったです。
良かったです。お話香川はみんなが言語を勉強している途中なので、間違えても OK ですね。
確かに。
はい。
最後に視聴者の皆さんに何かメッセージがあればお願いします。
So, at OHANASI KAGAWA, we help Japanese people and Japan lovers from around the world build beautiful, meaningful connections. So we hope you join our events, meet amazing Japanese people, fall even more in love with Japan, and live a more joyful life. So we are excited to meet you at our events. Thank you.
ありがとうございました。
So now you've heard from Aki-san himself. You're more than welcome to join the event even as a beginner. I know, enough yapping, let's go to the main point. How do we join this event? First, go to their website. All the links will be in the description below. Create a profile. This is how mine looks like. You can add information like the preferred speed level you want and your bio, and there are 5 tickets every month, and it is be charged on the first day of every month. At the event list, the latest events will be available. Make a reservation and it will appear on your homepage. An email will also be sent to you for the reservation, and that's it. A few things to take note, loves. There is a limited slot of 50 English learners and 50 Japanese learners, and it's first come first served basis. So if you want to get a slot, make sure to make a reservation as soon as possible. Also, be responsible and inform the staff 24 hours earlier if you need to cancel. There is a cancellation policy, so your account might get barred if you keep on cancelling. And most importantly, we are cultured people, so make sure to be punctual for the event and be respectful towards your partners. You can find more details on how to join the event and OHANASI KAGAWA in the links below. Anyway, that's all for today. I really wanted to introduce this event for you loves because I know how hard it can actually be to find a good resource to practice a language. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe. And if you're into more Japan related content or Japanese language itself, feel free to check out my other videos. じゃあねみんな。